All right, if you want to create high-quality presentations using Gamma AI, using the right prompts makes a huge difference. First, make your prompt clear and specific. Yeah, instead of vague ideas, tell Gamma exactly what you want. For example, you can say, create a professional business presentation about social media marketing strategies for small businesses, or try something like, explain artificial intelligence in a simple way for beginners using slides. This works really well for teaching topics. You can also say, create a YouTube style presentation on how to grow a channel fast. Yeah, Gamma will structure it like a video outline. Another one, create a step by step guide on how to start freelancing online. This gives you a clear, structured flow. You can also ask for lists, like create a presentation listing the top 10 productivity tips for students. Now add details like tone, audience, and style. Yeah, for example, keep it simple and beginner friendly. You can even guide the structure, like include an introduction, main points, and a conclusion. This helps organize your slides better. If the result isn't perfect, tweak your prompt and try again. Yeah, small changes can give you much better results, and that's it. These prompts will help you get the best results from Gamma AI. The better your prompt, the better your presentation.